Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming which controller you have, because the method depends on that. If it has a Bluetooth logo, we'll use Bluetooth. Otherwise, plan to use the Xbox wireless adapter. Once done, install Windows updates and the Xbox accessories, apps so drivers and firmware are ready. Turn the controller on by holding the Xbox button. Make sure batteries are above 20% or use a USB cable to avoid interruptions. Now put your laptop into pairing mode and get ready to connect. Next, pair the controller depending on your path. For Bluetooth, open Settings, choose Bluetooth and Devices, then add Device and select Bluetooth. Press the controller's sync button until the Xbox light flashes and select it on screen. For the Xbox wireless adapter, plug it into a USB port, press its sync button, then press the controller's sync, wait for a steady light. If you prefer wired, plug a USB cable directly. Windows will auto-install drivers. Make sure the Xbox accessories, app confirms firmware is up to date. Finish by verifying the controller shows as connected in devices and printers or the Bluetooth list, then test input in the Xbox accessories app or a game. If you get lag, dropouts, or it won't connect, try changing USB ports, swapping batteries, or updating controller firmware. Interference can be fixed by moving away from 2.4 GHz routers. If problems persist, unpair and repair, restart the laptop, or switch to the official Xbox wireless adapter for the most reliable wireless experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.